The adventures of the little monster truck friends in a town called Wheelyville, where every vehicle had its own personality, lived 4 little monster trucks. Max, the brave blue leader. Bella, the cheerful pink explorer. Gus, the goofy green tinkerer. And Trixie, the smart yellow problem solver. Together, they shared an unbreakable bond and went on exciting adventures that brought the whole town together. One sunny morning, while the friends gathered at the Big Wheel Park, Bella spoke up, her engine purring with excitement. "I heard a legend about the golden gear. It's hidden somewhere in the Mystic Mudlands, and it's said to grant a wish to anyone who finds it." "A wish? That sounds awesome." Gus revved, his tires spinning in anticipation. "What should we wish for?" "Maybe we can wish for better roads for Wheelyville," Trixie suggested thoughtfully. "But first, we've got to find it." Max's headlights glowed with determination. "All right, team, let's roll out and find the golden gear." Setting off, the 4 friends set out on their journey, roaring through the hills and valleys of Wheelyville. Their first challenge came at Rumble Rock Bridge, a shaky old structure guarded by a cranky bulldozer named Rusty. "To cross my bridge, you'll need to solve my riddle," Rusty grumbled. "What has wheels but never gets tired?" Trixie's gears turned quickly. "A spare tire," she exclaimed. Rusty smiled, impressed. "You may pass." The little monster trucks cheered as they rumbled over the bridge. The muddy maze next, they reached the Mystic Mudlands, a vast, mucky maze. Bella took the lead, using her instincts to navigate the slippery trails. But soon, they got stuck in a deep patch of mud. "What do we do now?" Gus asked, worried. Max revved his engine. "Let's work together. Bella, you scout for a way out. Gus, use your tools to create a pulley. Trixie and I will keep everyone's spirits up." With teamwork and determination, they pulled each other out and found a path through the maze. "We did it!" Bella cheered. The golden gear finally. They arrived at the heart of the Mudlands, where the golden gear gleamed atop a tall hill. But guarding it was a giant sleepy excavator named Digger. "Who dares disturb my nap?" Digger rumbled. "We're here for the golden gear," Max said bravely. "But we don't mean any harm." Digger's eyes softened. "I'll let you take the gear if you can show me the power of true friendship." Max looked at his friends. "We've got this." The 4 monster trucks performed a synchronized stunt routine, flipping and spinning in perfect harmony. Their friendship shone so brightly that even Digger's tough exterior couldn't resist. "You've proven yourselves worthy," Digger said, moving aside. The friends retrieved the golden gear and made their wish. "We wish for Wheelyville to always be full of friendship and adventure." A happy ending as the golden gear worked its magic. Wheelyville's roads sparkled, and the town became even more vibrant. The little monster trucks returned as heroes, their bond stronger than ever. From that day on, Wheelyville became a place where every vehicle felt loved and valued, thanks to the 4 little monster truck friends who showed that with teamwork and friendship, anything is possible.